got it, Dad. By the way, Dad, how was your Canadian going?
Oh no, don't remind me about that. One time,
I was so focused on answering Khan Academy that I didn't even notice a motorcycle passing by. I almost got hit.
What? You should really be careful.
But yeah, sometimes Khan Academy really gets our full attention.
that's true. And sometimes, it's really hard to find.
Activity that our teacher told us to do. We can't just search it, we have to scroll down a lot. It takes time and can be a bit annoying.
Yes, when I start doing Khan Academy, I don't want to be disturbed. I get so focused that I forgot to do my other homework.
Same here. It can be stressful when there are so many activities.
And I'm trying to do everything.
Right, but even if there are some negatives, there are also many good things about Khan Academy.
Yes, that's true. For me, Khan Academy helps me understand the lessons better. The videos are clear and easy to follow.
True, the examples are simple, and I like that we can practice many times until we get the right answer.
And I also like that we can study anytime and everywhere.
Yes.
It also helps me prepare for physical exams. After answering the activities, I've noticed I learned the lessons more clearly.
And I think it also improves our patience. Sometimes I get wrong answers, but I try them until I get it right.
Yes, it really helps us to grow and improve, not just in school, but also in managing our time and learning.
We just need to balance it with our other subjects. So don't be stressed, guys.
That's right, and also we should stay safe when using it. No more answering while walking.
Yes, baby first! So in the end, Khan Academy may be challenging sometimes, but it helps us to become a better student.
Exactly. Khan Academy teaches us that learning doesn't stop in a classroom. It can happen anytime, anywhere.
Here are some of our suggestions to improve Khan Academy.
Please consider adding feature for offline access. This means students could download videos, lessons, and practice problems to use later when they don't have Wi-Fi or mobile data. This feature would be a huge help for students in remote or poor areas who have trouble getting a steady internet connection. It will also make Khan Academy much more accessible to everyone.
This app should develop an advanced progress tracking systems that delivers comprehensive, data-driven insights for both teachers and students. It should analyze academic performance, identify individual strengths and weaknesses, and provide actionable feedbacks and recommendations to support continuous improvement and personalized learning.
My suggestion to make learning more exciting and motivating, Khan Academy could introduce gamification features such as badges, leaderboards, and rewards. Imagine students earning colorful achievements badges for completing lessons, mastering the topic, or keeping a daily learning streak. A leaderboard system could inspire friendly competition among classmates or online peers, while rewards points could be used to unlock special content or fun challenges.
So, last suggestions to improve Khan Academy is the activities or exercises we already answered would pop up first, so we can easily review our work and continue where we left off. This feature would help students track their progress better and save time from scrolling or searching for unfinished lessons.